Hey everybody, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be making Parmesan truffle mashed red potatoes. They're going to be smooth, creamy, and delicious. So you ready? Let's get into this. The very first thing you want to do is get that water boiling. And while we're waiting for that to heat up, we can go ahead and get all of our potatoes diced. You don't want to put them in the water whole because if you do that, it's going to take forever to cook them. Doing it this way will probably save us about 20 minutes or so. One small tip, if you add a little bit of salt to the water, it'll reduce the amount of time it takes to boil. Once your water is boiling, go ahead and throw in the potatoes. You're going to want to boil the potatoes just long enough to where you can pass a fork through them pretty easily, but not so much that you turn the potatoes to mush either. In the meantime, just kind of keep cooking them, stirring them around every so often. Okay, you want to check these after about 10 minutes or so of boiling. And as you can see, you can get the fork in there. It's still a little bit firm, so we're probably not ready yet. All right, it's been a couple more minutes. Let's go ahead and check this again. And that looks like it's just about done the way we want it. Once those potatoes are done, we're just going to go ahead and throw them in the colander here. Let them drain. And once you get all the water out, go ahead and pour them right back into the same pan. Once you have them back in the pan, go ahead and throw in your garlic. We're going to give that a second to cook a little bit. And use a potato masher. Let's try to get these squashed down a little bit. Don't worry about the skins too much because we're going to leave those in. If you don't like skins in your mashed potatoes, then you can always use a russet potato or something like that, or you can just go ahead and use a potato peeler and get those skins off before you start. Let's get it mashed up a little bit. Throw in our butter, and we're going to throw in our herb combination as well. This is a combination of salt, chive, oregano, and a little bit of truffle dust as well. And we're going to go ahead and add in our milk and our Parmesan cheese. And the last ingredient you're going to want to add in is the pepper. You don't want to put that in earlier because if you put it in early, the pepper is going to turn the mashed potatoes really dark. If you put it in at the end, it won't. All right, throw that in. By the way, if this is your first time here and you want to learn some cool new recipes, get some great cooking tips and tricks, and all sorts of other kitchen related things, then start now by subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell so you never miss a thing. And at this point, you're ready to serve it up. If you want your potatoes a little creamier, you can always add a little bit of extra milk there at the end. Or if you'd like to try something a little different, you can add a little bit of sour cream. If you want to try this recipe out, the ingredients and the measurements are down in the video description. Also down there, you'll find the recipe's calorie count, fat, carbohydrates, and protein. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about Joe's Phenomenal, you can watch a couple more videos, or you can visit us online at joesphenomenal.com. I thank you so much for taking time out of your busy day to check out our video. Once again, my name is Joe, and I hope you have a phenomenal day. Take it easy.